shit. Yes, may I help you?
Yes, I was just wondering if you happen to own a cat at all.
Yes, I do. Lucky is the only companionship I have since my husband passed away last winter.
Well, poor Lucky didn't live up to his name at all.
Sorry, dear.
Nothing. Look, I think I may have run over your cat up the road, actually.
Oh, that's terrible. What did he look like?
What?
What did my cat look like?
Oh, well, he was sort of like...
Oh, no. What did he look like before you hit him with your car?
Oh, of course, I'm sorry. He was more like this.
Oh. What? Shit. Last will and testament. I, Ophelia Wrinkle, of 22 Longman Road, Willing Jimboy, born the 13th day of March, 1918, being of sound mind and body, hereby bequest and bequeath all my worldly possessions to my cat, Lucky, being my only companion since my dear husband Frank died last winter. My house is to be Lucky's home, and the $8.7 million in my accounts is to be held to ensure Lucky's continued health and well-being, with the exception of payment to a permanent carer for him until he passes from natural causes, at which time all remaining monies and sales from this estate is to pass to the Sunshine Sanctuary for abandoned cats. Signed this day, the 12th of March, in the year of our Lord, 2001. Signed by me, Ophelia Wrinkle, and witnessed by Dick Handcrank, lawyer.